Hey, what's Park?
Just so you guys
We're on a train. We're gonna do some Magic Kingdom. Come on, let's have some fun. And just like that, we're back in the Magic Kingdom. Another party day, second day of festival, so quick little vlog here at Magic Kingdom. And then we're gonna hop over to Epcot then to try some food booths, and get some second bites over there. So make sure you check that out when we get there. First stop, walk down a completely empty main street. This is kind of crazy looking. And then go get on Tron. It's on the way over, so 20 minutes. So hopefully that's still there and maybe less. But gonna have a quick little fun trip here to Magic Kingdom. Okay, this part of Main Street's still a little busy. Back there wasn't. You gotta believe me. Please believe me. I wouldn't lie much to you. Okay. Tomorrowland seems empty too. There's one person on the People Mover. It's gonna be a good day. On Light Cycle Rod. It's up to 25 minutes. I think we'll survive. It's someone's first time. Good sign. We're going right into the link chamber. So yeah, 25 minutes sounds just about right for us. Oh, the pre-show is not even pre-showing. That's a great sign. Get excited, get excited. I'm hopeful. I shouldn't be this hopeful, but I'm hopeful. We'll see what it looks like right around this corner. I'm even more hopeful. Okay. There's a line, but it's nothing like it normally is. Okay, Miss First Time. Wifey Pence.
Huh?
Okay. Are you excited? Nervous?
Yeah, little both. But it's only like 32 seconds, so whatever.
Okay. Hey, I don't have a watch today, so I don't know how long it's been. We'll call it 20 minutes.
9:12.
That doesn't help.
15-ish.
15-ish minutes.
Hey! So very fun. For my roller coaster fans who are in Pennsylvania, kind of like the Great Bear with the Force. Anyone that's been to Hiccups in Epic, the launch is similar to that one. So like probably 3 times Slinky Dog, but not near as much as, what is it, Storm Runner and Hershey. So I really liked it, but I agree with what he said. If it's more than like 60 minutes, it's like a 30-second ride. It's fun. So if it's like you come here once every other year, definitely do it. But if you live close, But we opened and it was only like a 20-minute wait, so worth it.
Okay, so from Tron, we're deciding to go to the next closest ride in the park, which everyone knows is Tiana's Bayou Adventure. The rides are basically right next to each other. I might need to put a sarcasm warning up for this one because, yeah, we're going from Tomorrowland to, well, the farthest we could be in Tomorrowland to the farthest we can be currently in Frontierland. Now, it's kind of my fault because, I mean, I said we should do it.
Wait.
And also, yes, it's a 5-minute wait. Now, we'll see what it is in 10 minutes when we get there. Okay, bye. After our 10-minute walk over, the wait time has went up to 10 minutes. Still, it's worth the wait. We gonna get wet. We're gonna ask for the back. Not making that mistake again. We got wet. How'd you do back there?
I got a sprinkle.
Glad I took a shower this morning.
It's in my mouth.
Tastes like Bayou.
I was like, oh, it's not that.
Yeah, that rebound, it's real.
Oh my god. I am so, it's like
Okay. Let's see how bad this one is.
What, this one gets you too?
Okay, good. Sometimes it gets you. Depends how fast you go, the rebound. No, not the air conditioning, not the air conditioning, anything but the air conditioning.
Special people like you.
Oh, hi, Mama. Are you frozen?
You doing okay?
I don't
I'm out.
think your hand should go that way.
I'm on, Odie. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, your hand shouldn't go that way.
Check out.
I'm wet. I really don't want to go into air conditioning. That's fun. Definitely think it's about time though for a good refurbishment on some of those animatronics. The first two Tiana's mouths weren't working. Mama's Odie's arm not
in a nice angle.
not in a good place right there. But yeah, overall still a great ride. But I don't know. We're either going to Epcot or Mine Train. You'll find out before I do. Okay, bye. Okay. Executive decisions have been made. We're going to Epcot. So, well, we're going to walk past Beacon Barrel and be told that we needed a reservation to get into it. Opening day, by the way. But thanks for visiting us with Magic Kingdom. That made no sense, but anyways. We're going to Epcot. Thanks for watching this one. Check that one out when it comes out. So, get you next time. Oh, hi. No, I said we were done after Magic Kingdom went to Epcot. Well, we were. But now we're at Animal Kingdom. Someone needs to come pick up their pass holder magnet. I felt like 2 rides and a lot of walking was kind of a short little video, so we're gonna extend it a bit now. Oh, hi. No, I said we were getting a magnet. Well, first we're in Pandora. There's no magnets here. There's Rum Blossoms and Flight of Passage, which just said it was at 30 minutes. Like, according to my watch that says it's 2022, was a couple of minutes ago. So who knows what it is at this point. But it still should be under 60, which, again, I've said it before, anything under 60 for Flight of Passage is considered a walk-on. So we'll do that. Okay, bye. So we've had these ones before. The Rum Blossom is the Night Blossom with rum on it. Really like the Night Blossom. Kids love those ones too. Bulba's had a nice little kick to it. So there's the rum, but rum's all on top. Got to mix it in. Then we're gonna go fly some passaging. Okay, so the line basically started right by the mid-line potty. So I guess that makes it the start of the line potty. Should be 30 minutes or less. Fingers crossed. So I think initially, sorry, you see us here mid-conversation. So the question at hand is, why is there so many rows here? I feel like when this first opened, anyone knows, correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm really just bullshitting here. I believe that they did initially do like full all of these, but they got worse reviews from it, doing it that way, because you felt like you stayed longer. Now they use it for the cast members will walk down, ask how many, and get the link chambers set up, and then, okay, well, I need a party of 2, I need a party of 1, okay, come out and come up. Yeah. But I think initially it was to fill up. Same thing with the big room back there, how that has so much room to hold people, but you never fill up those switchbacks. Probably for right, like you're not standing there watching, especially in that one. You would see a bunch of people coming through Fast Pass or Lightning Lane, and like, why aren't we moving? Now you spend little time watching that, and you're spending more time technically like in the science room.
Yeah.
So, but
The more you know.
More you know. What I really turned you on for was, according to my Magic Band, it is still 2022. So we've waited 0 minutes in line We're doing really, really good. You said like 35, so it's been like 30 minutes?
About 30.
Yeah, we're at 30 minutes. We're at the link chamber. So yeah, basically at what it said. With the pre-shows, it's going to take a little bit longer, but that's kind of where they stopped the timer at. So 30 minutes, flight of passage. Not a bad wait.
Please make sure you can all see the screen.
Okay, let's see if I go. Here we go. Okay, we're off. It's storming. This is going to be fun. You'll see what we're doing once we get somewhere dry. Okay, bye. So if you're wondering how much it was raining, I believe the drops coming off my hat might let you know. We blame Kelly for going home and letting the rain come. I think we might be going to buy some ponchos. We're insulated trash bags now.
We are.
Hey, look, it stopped raining.
No, you're lying.
I am definitely lying. We're gonna pick up a magnet, maybe do dinosaur.
If we can find it.
Then go do Hollywood Studios before, I don't know, before turning into a puddle.
It's raining.
It's raining slightly. It's poncho weather. It should stop sometime after 2022. So yeah, great day. Okay, we didn't melt, but we made it over to Dino Diggs. Strawberry cheesecake?
Yes.
Something, some type of strawberry ice cream sandwich. Second bite. Like that Mr. Goodbar ice cream on a stick, whatever that's called, the strawberry shortcake.
That's a pretty good combo.
That's what it reminds me of. You get a lot. What was it, $7.50? $8.50? I was close. But it's a very good sized cookie. Difficult to try and eat it all by yourself. I've done it before with just the other chocolate chip one. They're good. We're gonna eat this before the rain makes it melt with the heat. And us. It's still raining. Okay, so when we were picking up someone's pass, the lights were flickering, and now basically every single ride is down everywhere. So that's interesting. So we're gonna go to the lounge over here next to Restaurantosaurus. Maybe get a drink. Then go from there. See what's next. Okay, bye. So yeah, like I said, with the lights flickering, we just kind of checked the app. It is property wide. There's, I think, 8 rides, maybe. I didn't do like a full in-depth count, but like basically every single park is down right now because of weather. Can't say I've seen that happen before. Disney's infrastructure is normally fairly resilient. Said it could have just been because the lights were flashing, so that means some power fluctuation. So now they kind of basically have to do a hard reset on rides. Like, so Alien Swirling Saucers up and running, but Toy Story Mania isn't, which Toy Story Mania probably has a lot more pre-checks that they have to run through than Swirling Saucers. We'll see how the day plays out, but Animal Kingdom closes at 6. It's still 2022 on my watch. It's about 5 o'clock. I think we're gonna head to Hollywood Studios. There were some merch booths we needed to check out in there, and then maybe head back over to Epcot. But now this might be the end of this video, and if it is, then go check out the Epcot one. So either way, thanks for watching. Maybe. Okay, bye. Physically made it over to Hollywood Studios, but so did like everybody else. This is odd for what, 5 o'clock? Yeah, Mania's at 95 minutes. Tower's at like 95 minutes, 80 minutes. Only 2 rides open in the park right now. Good thing we're just not entering through the gift shop and maybe getting a beer. Okay. Group vote time. Does it count to say that I've done all 4 parks today if we don't get any rides and only come in here and enter through the gift shop? Let me know below. Okay, bye. Hey, and don't forget to enter through the gift shop. Wait, that doesn't sound right. Okay, and with that failed attempt to find a sweatshirt that someone should have bought when they first saw it a month ago.
Lexi.
I'm not saying any names here.
Lexi.
I think that will now do it for other parks that are not named Epcot. And probably might not even make it back to Epcot, but we'll see. Either way, despite the rain and every single ride in Walt Disney World being closed, it was a good day.
Except for Mania at 120
Trying to
minutes.
go somewhere.
And Tower of Terror at like,
It's now closed.
oh, Tower of Terror is closed. Okay. Not experienced a Disney day like this before. Don't think I want to again. You can definitely have a sense of how many people are actually in these parks when no one can be on a ride. It's not pleasant at all. But when we could get on rides, it was fun. It's still mostly fun. So,
Mostly.
thanks for coming along with us. Tell this guy to move to Disney. Hey, and as always, folks, remember to stay kind and exit through the gift shop.